Hi everybody, myself Dr. Alfred Sheikh. I am working as Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Mathematics, Indira Gandhi Kala Mahavidyalaya, Radegaon, District Yatmal. I am very thankful to the organizers for organizing such a beautiful event and providing a platform to all the researchers and academicians to represent their papers, manuscripts in this uh, E-International Conference. Basically, we had considered FRW space-time for general elastic hydrodynamics in general theory of relativity. Now, for getting the solution of this general relative hydrodynamics, which is nothing but in a form of perfect fluid, we had considered two methods to solve the differential equations. The first one is the method of Abdul Sattar, which he considered in the manuscript published in 2011. And second method we have considered Singh and Devnath about deceleration parameter. So special form of deceleration parameter, and this paper has been published in 2012. So in this regard, we had considered the general relativity hydrodynamics, which tells us the two concepts of energy density and pressure. So with the view of FRW metric space, we had considered the field equations, and after solving the field equations with the help of these two form of deceleration parameter, we get energy density, then the pressure, and with respect to this energy density and pressure, we have calculated the EOS parameter, the equation of state, which is given by the equation W is equal to P upon rho, where P represents the pressure and rho represents the energy density. And while calculating this equation of state, we observe that the density is a decreasing function of time, pressure is a negative pressure, and since we have calculated pressure P as a negative, which indicates that the universe is accelerating, and while the universe is accelerating, it means that this acceleration happens due to of negative pressure. Secondly, when we consider about the special form of deceleration parameter, which is specified or which is considered by Singh and Devnath, in that also we have obtained energy density. Again, we have found that energy density is a decreasing function of time, then pressure, which is again a negative form, which indicates that is acceleration of the universe. And in both the models, after making a comparative graphical representation, we observe that the equation of state, whose value is nearly equal to -1, specify that the derived model for this FRW metric in the presence of general relativity hydrodynamics represent cosmological constant, that is lambda. Now, with respect to the cosmological constant lambda, we are having the value of omega as -1. So from both the models, we get W is equal to value close to -1, which indicates that whatever the observation we have derived resembles with the observation of recent theoretical experimental values. Secondly, along with these two models, we have derived some kinetical properties such as spatial volume, then Hubble expansion, scalar expansion, shear scalar, and anisotropic parameter. So we observe that with increase in the time, the physical and kinematic value decreases with respect to cosmic time. Along with these physical and kinematic properties, we have derived JER parameter and RS parameter, that is state finder diagnostic, which is represent the behavior of our derived model. So when we calculate the value of R and S, we observe that R is equal to 1 and S equal to 0, specify that the derived model behaves lambda CDM model, and J of t, that is JER parameter, is close to value 1, which indicates that our calculation is really up to the mark with respect to the recent observation. So with the help of FRW model, we have calculated the energy density and pressure. Along with this, we have calculated the physical and kinetical properties, and we concluded that with the help of this FRW spacetime in general theory of relativity, in the presence of GRH, the universe is accelerating, and which resembles with the current observation. So I am once again thankful to the organizers for giving me the chance to represent my research paper. Thank you so much.